Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. The purpose of making this video is to let you know how you can hide your subscribers from the YouTube visitors, because sometimes if you have less visitors, less subscribers on your channel, and you don't want them to see how many subscribers you have, so you want to hide them. For that purpose, basically when you see all the videos in YouTube and Google, when you search on Google, it says that you need to have a creator studio. All are changing this option from the creator studio, but usually most of the channels, they don't get default creator studio option in their channel. So there are two things. First, you need to get the creator studio. This is for those people who need video manager and all that, and they don't see the option of creator studio. So first you can see how you can see the option of creator studio in your channel, and then from creator studio how you can change the option for your subscribers views. So let's start. We'll sign in from here. So first of all, we'll click here and we will go to YouTube Studio. From the studio, we will go to, you will see here option Creator Studio Classic. So you will click here Creator Studio Classic. It will ask you some options here because was the beta version, so they ask some options here. If you want to click anything here, then click, otherwise just skip this option and it will switch to the Creator Studio. Now in Creator Studio you have all these options here: video manager, live streaming, community, channel, analytics. So you go to channels and then you go to advanced. In advanced options you will find down last subscriber counts. So just click over here, do not display the number of people subscribe to my channel, and then save. That's it. When you will save, then nobody will see your number of subscribers. So that's all for today. Hope this video will help you, and please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.